DONGTAI's custom-engineered K-series traversing device reducers have completed production and packaging, ready for shipment. This batch of products has been strictly customized according to the customer's specific working conditions and has comprehensively met the required technical standards in key aspects, such as transmission accuracy, load capacity, and operational stability. Rigorous factory testing has been fully conducted, with every unit meeting quality control requirements, offering dependable quality without compromise. The products are now securely packed and scheduled for delivery. DONGTAI remains committed to providing reliable transmission solutions for global customers through professional manufacturing excellence.